Welcome to today's first look at the 2026 BMW R12 GS, the latest addition to BMW's legendary GS family. This machine brings fresh design updates, advanced technology, and BMW's signature adventure DNA. Let's break down everything that makes this bike stand out. Design and styling. The 2026 R12 GS carries a more compact and muscular stance compared to the bigger GS models. It blends modern adventure styling with BMW's iconic GS lines, sharp LED lighting, a sleek front beak, and improved ergonomics for both touring and off-road riding. The bike feels rugged yet premium, appealing to riders who want versatility without losing comfort. Engine and performance. At the heart of the R12 GS is a 1,170 cubic centimeters boxer engine, fine-tuned for smoother torque delivery and responsive power. Expect excellent balance, low-end punch, and enough horsepower to tackle highways, trails, and everything in between. BMW's shift-cam technology and ride-by-wire system ensure efficiency and adaptability on any terrain. Technology and features. BMW has equipped the R12 GS with advanced rider aids, multiple ride modes, cornering ABS, traction control, and semi-active suspension. The TFT display provides seamless connectivity, while options like adaptive headlights and heated grips push rider comfort to the next level. Comfort and practicality. This bike is designed for long-distance adventures. The ergonomics are rider-friendly, the seat height is adjustable, and luggage options are plentiful. Whether you're commuting in the city or exploring remote backroads, the R12 GS promises a confident and comfortable ride. Conclusion. The 2026 BMW R12 GS is more than just a downsized GS. It's a true all-rounder built for riders who want big adventure capability in a slightly lighter, more approachable package. BMW has managed to keep the spirit of the GS alive while making it accessible to a wider audience.